Hey guys, Chris from Provo Audio Installation, and in today's video we're doing a quick unboxing of a fantastic bass package that's one of the best values you can find on Amazon right now. Let's get started. Now laid out before me is an audio package offered from Stinger Audio, and they call it the Party Pack. And it comes in a couple of different sizes. You can get a preloaded 12 or 10-inch subwoofer in a really nice carpeted box. It also comes with a 700-watt amplifier that's perfectly paired to that said subwoofer. And they throw in the box an oxygen-free 4-gauge amplifier wiring kit. So really, that's just about everything you need to get started at home. Now, believe it or not, this video is not sponsored by Stinger Audio. I've actually purchased this all myself because I'm always on the lookout for fantastic audio brands that are producing great equipment at an affordable price that makes it totally worth it for my viewers at home. Now, I love some healthy competition, and I'm super excited to see brands like Stinger step up their game and offer something fantastic like this bass package to give some healthy competition against Scar Audio and CT Sounds and other lesser known brands that offer some good power per dollar watt ratio. At this time in this video, this is one of the best RMS dollar per watt ratio values on the market today. Now let's jump in to show you exactly what everything comes with. This subwoofer box, as mentioned, comes in both a 10 and 12-inch configuration, both of which are rated for about 700 watts RMS. Now the box is already pre-wired for you down to 1 ohm, which is a perfect match to the amplifier. The box is slot ported with a 3/4-inch MDF build design and pre-carpeted for you with a really cool Stinger logo there on the top. Width-wise is 20.5 inches, height is 15.2 inches, bottom depth is 18.1 inches, top depth 16 inches, and the box is tuned to about 35 hertz. Now there's one cool feature about this box that I do want to mention that's really different from its competitors on the market today is, yes, it's a wedge-shaped box that'll fit really well in your trunk, but what they've also designed are these ridges on the front, because not only does it sit this way, but you can roll it forward and have it down firing to protect that cone and woofer in case it's in a really tight enclosed area. As for the amplifier, we've done a ton of these already on the channel. They're fantastic power output for the price. The amplifier itself puts out 700 watts RMS continuous at 1 ohm, 500 watts RMS at 2 ohms, and 300 watts RMS at 4 ohms. Now this box is already wired, as mentioned, to 1 ohm, so you're gonna get that full 700 watts out of that amplifier to provide that sub the power it needs. It includes a bass knob right out of the box, which is fantastic, and the power terminals are a 4-gauge input, which matches perfectly with the included amplifier wiring kit. And another element that sets this bass package apart from others on the market is they include an OFC 4-gauge amplifier wiring kit. It's not copper clad, it's actually oxygen-free copper. Now this kit is actually rated up to 1200 watts RMS. It includes a 17-foot power cable, 3-foot ground cable. Now last but not least, let's talk about pricing. For a 12-inch version of the Party Pack, it's currently listed at $319 US, and that's going to save you about $175 if you were to order these individually. So it's so much more worth it to buy the Party Pack. For the 10-inch version, currently listed at $299 US. Again, that savings is about $115, so totally worth it to buy it within the Party Pack. Now, unfortunately, at the time of this video, they don't offer the 210s or 212s in some sort of Party Pack, but if you're interested to see those offerings, we can also link those in the description. Now that's about it for this video. As mentioned, we'll link everything that you've seen here today, as well as some other examples of us installing this amplifier in the description. I'm Chris with Provo Audio Installation, and we will see you in the next video.